This video I'll be unboxing USB expander. So if you have a laptop or desktop and you have limited number of USB ports, then you can use this USB expander to expand your USB so that you can connect more number of USB devices. So watch this video completely so that I will tell you how you can get this product for free. Also subscribe along with the bell icon so that you will get all the future updates. So now this is our USB expander, you can see. So there are 3 ports, 1, 2 and 3, and one more port is here. So there are a total of 4 ports, and if you check the description, you can see USB 2.0, and there are 4 ports, and the cable length is a 40 centimeter, and it is a plug and play, so that no need to install any device to make it work. Now this is a supply description. Then you can see the price, it is a $4.99, but from Amazon I got it for a lesser price. So inside the package again you have one bill. This is the bill from Amazon. So from Amazon I got it for, you can see, for $149. So but end of this video I will tell you how you can get this product for free. So let us open this product and check it's working. So you can open from here. So you will get this product in different colors. So I was preferring for a black color, so I ordered a black one. So this is our USB expander. So as I told, there are 4 ports, 3 ports here and 1 port here, and you can connect this to your USB PC or a laptop. Okay, so let us check it's working. So I've connected this to my laptop, and I will connect a pen drive to see whether it is getting detected or not. So we'll see whether all the ports are working fine. So I'm connecting to a USB expander. Now it's not detecting. Okay, yeah, it's getting detected. So one port is working fine. So let me connect to another port. Okay, so second port is also working fine. I'm connecting to third port. And third one is also working. So let me connect to last port. So fourth port is also working good. So all the 3 plus 1 ports are working fine. So this is a useful device for your PC or a laptop. And one good thing is I'm going to give this product to one of my subscriber for free. The only thing you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel. The link will be given in the description, and I'll be choosing any one lucky subscriber, and I'll contact you through Telegram, and I will give this to my subscriber for free. So we'll see in the next video. Thank you.